the vision for the residences at Mandarin Oriental Miami is to create something that is truly iconic. And what we're creating is an island on an island, essentially. Something that has the best of both worlds. So the serenity and tranquility of true island living, but also being only moments from the very vibrant city center in Miami.
Our philosophy is we try to make a very regional, distinct architecture that adds to the environment in a way that feels like it's participating in the urban fabric. And so here it was this idea of this building on the tip of Brickell Key, looking out over the water and connecting back to the skyline of Miami. So that was our big idea about how we kind of create the overall form of the building. It was amazing when they made the decision to reach out to Laura Gonzalez and to Tristan Auer. It felt like, we had this incredible team that were really focused on making something unique.
The beginning of a project like this, it's always where do we start? That's the big question. And we start looking at Brickell Key story, and that's the way we start project. We always make mood boards, make a lot of history research, and I try to find what will be the essence of this place in Miami. I think my goal always in interior is that people feel like home. For me, it's very important, and to feel my soul inside my design.
And what I share with Laura, which is in a different vision for her hotel, is to have this common sense of French elegance. So for me, designing someone's home, it's to design for themselves, to allow them to be themselves. A good interior design changes the life of the new owner.
Miami as a city has really evolved over the last few years as a global destination in its own right. And we wanted to create something that has never been seen in Miami before. And I'd say that's something that Swire, in my experience, is different perhaps to others. The Swire motto is a Latin phrase called esse quam videre, which means to be rather than to seem to be. And simply put, I think it means doing what we say we're going to do.